Good day to all of you, sir, ma'am. My name is Lani Amistad. I am 44 years old. I am from Paracelis Mountain Province. I am happily married with two children, ages 8 years old and 4 years old, one boy, one girl. My educational attainment, I finished my computer technology, year 2015. For my working experience, I worked as domestic helper in Kuwait for almost 2 years. I served one couple with three children, ages 8 years old, 5 years old, and 1 year old, one boy and two girls. For my local employment, I worked here in the Philippines for almost 2 years. I served one couple with two children, ages 16 years old and 4 years old, one boy, one girl. My duties are cooking, cleaning, washing car, washing clothes, and taking care of children. My hobbies are cooking and playing guitar. Mom, sir, if you choose me as your housemaid, I do the best I can to serve your family. I thank you. God bless all.